Hi everyone, this is Antonio from ThoughtSpot, and today I want to demo how, thanks to the upcoming ThoughtSpot integration with Snowflake Semantic Views and our powerful SpotterViz agent, our customers can go from a semantic view in Snowflake to a fully functional and beautiful liveboard in ThoughtSpot in less than 5 minutes. Don't believe me? Just watch. I'm here in Snowflake and we're looking at the definition of a semantic view. It includes 6 tables, relationships between them, and a number of facts, dimensions, and metrics. Moving on to ThoughtSpot, we can quickly demo how I can bring in this semantic view in ThoughtSpot and then build a live board on top of this semantic view with our SpotterViz agent. Moving to the data workspace, I have this new menu called Semantic Integrations. And in just a few clicks, I can bring in this Snowflake Semantic View, picking, of course, one of my existing connection and pointing it to a database, schema, and semantic view. This is the same semantic view that I was showing you in the previous window, looking at it from the Snowflake point of view. And our integration is bringing in the semantic view and creating a model in ThoughtSpot, a semantic model in ThoughtSpot based on the definition of the semantic view. It's giving me a review of all of the work done in terms of the method. I can even do a more thorough review of this, or I just accept the translation, and voila, I have a model in ThoughtSpot with, representing all of these relationships between the same 6 tables that I was looking at from the Snowflake point of view, and all of the columns, the metrics have been translated. So moving on to the second part of the demo, now we'll see how we can use SpotterViz to create in just 1 minute a beautiful live board on top of this semantic view definition. I'm going to call it Semantic View Liveboard. And our SpotterViz agent very quickly gives me the ability to build a live board based on this data. I'm just going to say, use the semantic view, TPCH semantic view model to build a live board with metrics around customers and suppliers. Of course, I could be even more specific, but I'm just going to let our agent, find information from the semantic model on what metrics and, relationships are defined here. It's already giving me a plan of what it's going to do. I'm just going to accept the plan and say proceed, and SpotterViz will build a live board for me. And here we are. As promised, in just the span of a few minutes, we went from importing a semantic view from Snowflake to a fully functional live board with metrics defined and analysis for both customers and supplier metrics. Of course, I could use the SpotterViz agent for further improvements to this live board, or even make improvements by hand. But for the purpose of the demo, I think we were able to show how really in the span of a few minutes, you could go from a Snowflake Semantic View to a live board in ThoughtSpot. So I hope you enjoyed this demo.